सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 9, verse number 18. गतिर्भर्ता प्रभुः साक्षी निवासः शरणं सुहृत् प्रभवः प्रलयस्थानम् निधानं बीजमव्ययम्। Lord Krishna revealing his presence in every form and in every manner. He says, I am that Jagat Karanam, the cause of this universe. Then universe will become the effect, the karyam. The effect can never separately exist without the karanam, because effect is nothing but the cause in different form. Golden chain is the effect. Gold is the cause. Since the chain is the effect of that gold cause, chain cannot separately exist other than the gold. This is very clear for us. Example. Similarly, Bhagavan says, I am the Vivarta Upadana Karanam. I am the intelligent cause as well as the material cause. Of whom? Of this Jagat. A whole entire Jagat, what you are seeing, is nothing but my own form. I am only appearing as an effect. As an effect, I am appearing in this world. May you understand, hey Arjuna. If you understand in this manner, there are lot of benefits you are going to get. Infinite benefit you are going to get. This is the knowledge you have to get. For your sake only I am telling. Vivarta Karanam and Parinami Karanam, two types of causes. Milk is also a cause to become curds. Curds is nothing but milk only. But what type of cause that milk? Parinami, changing cause. Milk totally changed as curds. Similarly, Bhagavan is also like milk. Just as undergoing change and becoming curds, similarly Bhagavan is also like milk, undergoing change and becoming the world like curds. But when you come to Bhagavan's example, you should not take the Parinami Karanam. Bhagavan is Karanam, all right. But I should not take it as changing cause or parinami karanam. Parinamam anna enna artham? Modification, changing. Then what is that non-changing cause? Bhagavanukku Sanskritla enna per enna? Vivarta karanam. What do you mean by vivarta karanam? What is the definition of vivarta karanam? Very important technical definition. Throughout our study we have to remember. Vivarta karanam means swaswarupa parityagena, without giving up its own nature. Swaswarupa aparityagena. Aparityagena, without giving up. Parityagamna giving up. Aparityagena, without giving original nature. Swaswarupam, original nature. Swaswarupa parityagena rupantara apatti, taking other form. Rupantaram is Jagat. Rupantara apatti means taking the universal form without giving up his own nature. Oh Bhagavan. Therefore he is called what? Vivarta upadana karanam. Abhinna nimitta upadana karanam. Non-different from intelligent cause and material cause. Goldsmith is non-different from gold and chain. Goldsmith is different or not? Thank God, he is different. Otherwise, along with your chain, Chandraharam, you have to bring the goldsmith also. Goldsmith you have to bring. Along with pot maker, you have to bring pot maker also. So, it's here different. Pot maker is different. Goldsmith is different. So, bhinna nimitta karanam. Bhinna means different intelligent cause in any product. Carpenter, desk kuda carpenter kuda varala namma veetuki illiye. So, carpenter is different. Bhinna karanam. Whereas Bhagavan, abhinnam, non-different. Bhagavan is non-different. அது சம்ஸ்கிருதத்தில் என்ன சொல்லணும்னு அபின்னம். பின்னம் என்ன? டிஃபரெண்ட். ந பின்னம் abhinnam. Na bhinnam means non-different. Who is non-different? Bhagavan. From what he is non-different? From the universe. Abhinna nimitta upadana karanam. Nimittamanna intelligent, upadanamanna material. Bhagavane intelligent cause. Bhagavan alone is material cause. Non-different from that intelligent and material. Therefore he is called Abhinna Nimitta Upadana Karanam. இந்த டெக்னிக்கல் நேம் புரியறதுக்கு நிறைய நாள் ஆகும். Now you are able to understand easily. That's why I am explaining. Why this statement I have to explain, you tell me. People make a statement very easily. What statement they do? Bhagavan is everywhere. The whole world is pervaded by Bhagavan. Very casually they say, எப்படி அப்பான்னா, ஆமா அது அப்படிதான். That's like that only. That is belief. If anybody says, without studying this 9th chapter, without understanding this intelligent cause, material cause, Bhagavan is non-different, and தெரியாமலே அது விருத்த வியவஹார. My party says, கடவுள் எல்லா இடத்துலையும் இருக்கார். My party says, I respect my party, therefore I also say. Even illiterate person says, villager can say, village person, கிராமம்ல சொல்லுவான். But how? He is only believing, lifelong he believe and he worship with the Lord. For him, no problem. For we, the urban people, we have problem. Party சொன்னா அனு கேட்போம். We don't nod our head. Sometime we'll nod. How long we can nod our head? How Bhagavan is everything? Where Bhagavan? I am not able to see. We start thinking now. Therefore, we have to study Gita. So we want to inquire into it. How Bhagavan is pervading everywhere. What way? In what manner? How he is pervading? This is the way you have to understand. This is the way you have to understand. No, Swami, we want to also nod our head. No, okay, you need not come to Bhagavad Gita class to nod your head. Of course, you can nod your head out of understanding. That's a very vishayam. Out of belief, nodding the head is different. Out of understanding, also nodding the head is different. For both, you do nodding only. But there is a satisfaction, intellectual satisfaction in your life. This is samshaya rahita jnanam. Samshaya rahita jnanam. Therefore, Bhagavan says, because I am the vivarta upadana karanam of this universe, I am the Prabhu. Look into the mantra. I am the goal, I am the gatihin. Anybody wants to get anything through their karma phalam. Gati means karma phalam. Goal. Whatever you want to get. That goal, I am alone. Why? Whatever he is going to get, in whatever form, that karma phalam cannot be separate from me. Why? I am everything. And gatikku ival explanation venum. Puriyirudha? Since I am everything in this universe, whatever the person get, the destination, goal, karma phalam, result, it cannot be separate from me. Therefore, I am the goal, karma phalam. Who is giving that karma phalam? He says, Bharta. I am the sustainer. I am the giver of karma phalam. Karma phala data. I am. Suppose, why Bhagavan alone karma phala data? Why can't we can take some other person? Imagine, நமக்கு இந்த சந்தேகமே வராது. நானே சந்தேகம் கிரியேட் பண்றேன். பகவான் கர்ம பலம் கொடுக்காமலே, suppose somebody else gives karma phalam. Imagine, Bhagavan is not giving, somebody is giving. That means there is somebody to give karma phalam other than Bhagavan. If somebody is there other than Bhagavan, he is limiting the Bhagavan. Bhagavan is not all pervading. Bhagavan, other than Bhagavan, this person is there to give karma phalam. Since there cannot be second thing other than Bhagavan, the giver of the karma phalam also must be Bhagavan. Very, very technical, logically you have to think. கொஞ்சம் திங்கிங் வேணும் பகவத்கீதா படிக்கணும்னா. இந்த மாதிரி படிக்கணும்னா வேணும். அப்படியே படிச்சுன்னா வேண்ட அவசியம் இல்லை. பர்த்தா பிரபு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஐ எம் த மாஸ்டர். pra plus bhu dhatu. Prabhavati iti prabhuhu. I am the master. Master means because of me, Varuna Bhagavan is giving rain, the sun illumines the Jagat, and the Vayu Bhagavan is giving air. All other devatas are all functioning because of me, master I am. Bhishasmadvatah pavate bhishodeti suryaha. Out of fear, all of them are functioning. Just as you, the master, your servants and drivers, how out of fear they are functioning, no? I hope so. You are the master. So they have to function out of fear. Similarly, I am the Prabhu, master. They are all functioning because of me. Number 4, Sakshi. I am the witnesser. Sakshat ikshate. What? I am the witnesser of every person's good thoughts and bad thoughts also. You cannot hide from Bhagavan. One guru asked his students, he gave fruits to all his students. He asked everyone, you go eat this fruit where Bhagavan is not there. Where Bhagavan is not there, you eat. And students thought, if I go to temple, Bhagavan will be there, I should not eat. No one should see. No one should see. அந்த சீக்ரெட் பிளேஸுக்கு போய் நீங்கள் சாப்பிடணும். நீங்கள் சாப்பிடும்போது யாரும் பார்க்கக்கூடாது. And every student went hiding that behind the wall, behind the tree, behind covering and everything and all. They are eating everybody. And running. He said, you will come first. Who will come first also, he said. Everybody eating, after eating one by one is reaching. One student already came near and standing in front of the teacher. நீ சாப்பிடலையா? எல்லாரும் காலி பண்ணிட்டு வந்துட்டான் ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் எல்லாமே. பட் ஒன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கேம் அலாங் வித் த ஃப்ரூட். ஐயா, வை யூ ஆர் கமிங் வித் த ஃப்ரூட்? வை யூ டென்ட் டுக் த ஃப்ரூட்? ஹே குரு, யூ செட் without seeing anyone you have to eat this fruit, he said. But how can I eat without seeing by anyone? God is all pervading. I cannot eat this fruit without seeing Bhagavan. Bhagavan is seeing, witnesser. If Sakshi Aham and Bhagavan, Krishna Bhagavan சொன்ன, we blink our eyes, we raise our eyebrows. இந்த கதை சொன்ன ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. அதுக்குதான் கதை சொல்றது, புரியுறதா? Aham Sakshi, I am the witnesser. Whole Purana has come. 36 Puranas are meant for this only. Each and every one statement they have symbolized in a story form. Beautifully. After 50-60 years itself, you are a happy listening story. What to talk of children? எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. That's why Pura api Navaha Puranam. However much it is ancient old, it is ever new. Sakshi, I am the witnesser. Inner conscience. உனக்கு ஆத்ம சாட்சி இல்லையான்னு கேட்போம். அதுதான் inner conscience. Nivasaha, I am the abode. Everything is dwelling in me alone, abode. Adhishtanam. Gold can say, I am the abode of the chain. I am the abode of the chain. I am the abode of the ring. I am the abode of that bangle. This clay can say, I am the abode of the pot. Pot is that which can dwell in me alone. Nivasati. That's why in a house also, Nivasam, Shanti Nivasam. நிவாசம் வீட்டுக்கு பேரு இல்லம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? இல்லம் என்னன்னு அர்த்தம்? அபோர்டு. தமிழும் தெரியுமா? இன் சம் ஹவுசஸ் தே ரைட் இல்லம். என்ன புதுசா பார்க்குறேன், அந்த வேர்டு இல்லையா? இருக்கு, என்ன தெரியாத மாதிரி பார்க்குறேன். நீங்க எனக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கணும் தமிழ். நிவாசஸ்தானம், வசதி. So the whole entire universe ki நான் தான் அபோர்டுன்னு அர்த்தம். நான் தான் ஆதாரம். நான் இல்லாமல் இந்த ஹோல் ஜகத்து இருக்க முடியாது. நிவாசஹ சரணம். I am the refugee. Sharanam means here Shiryate Dukkhani Asmin Nidhi, destroyer of all the sorrows. சரணம் ஐயப்பா. சரணம் சரணம் என்ன தெரியறதோ இப்போ? சரணம் என்ன? ஐயப்பா is the one who is the destroyer of sorrow, of whom, who surrenders, who take refuge in him. அது சரணம் ஐயப்பா அர்த்தம். The one who is the destroyer of sorrow. சரணம், அதுதான் மீனிங். சரணம் வேறே. சரணம்னா பாதம். நம்ம கால் சரணம். என்ன தமிழ்ல சா ஷா போத்து ஒன் சேம். சரணம் என்ன பாதங்கள். சரணம் சரணம் சரணம். சரணம் சொல்லி சரணம் சொல்ல. ஐயப்ப சரணம் ஏவ சரணம். என்ன சுவாமி இப்போ தமிழ் தமிழ் கத்துக்கிறோமா, பகவத்கீதை கத்துக்கிறோமா? ரெண்டுமே தேவை. ஐயப்ப சரணம் ஏவ சரணம். அவருடைய பாதங்கள், திருவடி. ஏன் இதுக்கு சரணம் பேர் என்ன? சரதி அனேன இது சரணம். சரதி, by which this body moves. Charanam. Charati anena iti charanam. The sense organs, pada indriyam, by which the being moves. With which help we moves. Ada charanam. Okay, inga charanam கிடையாது, இது சரணம். Next, Suhrit. I am the Suhrit. Suhrit means well-wisher. Who is the real well-wisher? And commentator writes, Pratyupakaram anapeksha yaha upakaram karoti. Without expecting any benefit in return, whoever helps, that person alone is called Suhrit. How many well-wishers we have without expecting anything? They should not expect any recognition, appreciation, money, name, fame, anything from us. No one in this world except Bhagavan, really speaking. Real Suhrit is Bhagavan alone. Therefore he says, I am that well-wisher. Next, Prabhavaha. Prabhavaha means Srishti Karanam, source. That's why we respect God. Because he is Srishti Karanam. Jagatthukku Srishti Karanam. Therefore, next, not only Srishti Karanam, Bhagavan as Srishti Karanam we like. Bhagavan as Sthiti Karanam also we like. But Bhagavan as the Laya Karanam, we don't like. And Bhagavan says here, look into the Mansloka, Prabhavaha Ahamasmi. Sthanam, I am the support, also Ahamasmi. Sthana means Sthiti Karanam. And Laya Karanam, Samharta. Laya Karanam, Prakarshena Liyante. Asmin, into whom everything will merge, dissolve. Kala Kalaha. Namaste astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Devaya Mahadevaya Trambakaya Trikalagni Kalaya Kalagni Rudraya Kalagni Rudrayan Kala Kalaya. That's why when Bhagavan takes everything, any destruction take place, namakku avarku kannillai kaadillai ennella solluvom. He is the one who is the cause of this creation. He has the right to take back. When? He has to inform you, so and so date I am going to take from this. I have given this to you. Therefore, so and so date, so and so time I am coming. I will take from you. And sonna ning kudupela. No one will give ready to give. அதுக்கு தெரியும் பகவானுக்கு. சொல்லாமல் இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணாமல் he will take. That's why I am angry with Bhagavan. Don't be angry. How you appreciate that Bhagavan as the creator, you appreciate the Bhagavan as the destroyer also. That's a dissociation of persons from us, either temporarily or permanently choiceless. That is choiceless, uncontrollable. You have to accept the fact. This is called maturity. Hey Arjuna, this Drona, this Drona and Bhishma are going to merge into me. You are not going to stop. Why? I am the Pralayaha. Because I am Prabhavaha. Since I am the Srishti Karanam, I must be the Laya Karanam. Chollanama? Then Nidhanam. Nidhanam means I am the storehouse. I am the storehouse, the repository of all. All of our karma phalams he keeps in proper in the computer data. People are all talking about programming. What you are doing in software company? Everybody says this only. I am programming. Programming. And the programming. Programming. Bhagavan, each jiva, mosquito, ant, every jiva, tiger, elephant, crocodile, human being, all beings, karma phalam. All papam, punya, everything he has to keep intact. Therefore, what I am? He says, I am the Nidhanam, keeping all beings, karma phalam, mix ahamale, partition kariya, sariya vekkano, adi vandu idhula mix ahakudadu. One item, rasam la irukano, sambar la irukano, poriyal, carriage arrange panna sela peru, chutney paruppu la irukum, paruppu sambar la irukum. Thairu vandu idhula mix agum, adi poi idhula mix aidum. Ippadi dhaan namma arrangement. After our small food arrangement ki namakku ippadi. நான் இப்படி எல்லாம் பண்ண மாட்டேன். என்ன ஆயிடும் அப்படி கலை பண்ண? அவனுடைய கர்ம பலம் இதுல வந்து இவனுடைய கர்ம பலம் அதுல மிக்ஸ் ஆகி அம்மா ஒரே குழப்பம். பண்ண கர்ம பலத்துக்கு கஷ்டப்படுறோம். யாரோடைய கர்ம பலம் வந்து என்னோட தலைமையில விட்டா அவ்வளவுதான். பகவான் சொல்றாரு, நான் இன்டெலிஜென்ட்டா வைக்கிறேன்ப்பா. இட் வில் நாட் கோ டு அதர் பர்சன். அவனுடைய கர்ம பலம் அவனுக்கே போகும். எப்போ? எனி டைம். in any janma. How many yugas it takes doesn't matter, but I keep safely. He will take it. Nidhanam. Avyayam bijam. I am the bijam means I am the seedless seed. Imperishable. Avyayam means imperishable. Seed means bijam means material cause. I am the imperishable material cause. I am the imperishable material cause. This will never end. Naksharati. Navyayam. No declension at all for me as the cause of this universe. I am ever there. Next shloka we'll read. Tapamyahamaham varsham Nigrunnamyu srujami cha Amrutam chaiva mrityuscha Sadasachaham Arjuna. All are very important shlokas. Now, in this shloka, 19th shloka, Lord Krishna says, I am in the form of Sun, Lord Sun also. In the form of Lord Sun, what am I doing? What is my job? My job is Aham. I am in the form of Lord Sun. Tapami. Tapami means I energize. I energize what? This whole universe. I energize the whole universe. Surya Rupena, you have to supply. It is not there in the shloka, you have to supply. Surya Rupena, in the form of sun. Bracket supply pannikanu. I energize the universe in the form of sun. And what else I do? Aham nigrunnami usrujami cha varsham. Varsha means rainy waters. Nigrunnami. I draw from the ocean, from the earth. I draw the waters. Nigrunnami. I suck the water from the earth, from the ocean. How I suck? By leaving salt, sweet water I drop. And what I do, that water, usrujami, I leave upon the earth again. I release that water. I draw the water and I release the water. In the form of sun. So when sun is taking water, you have to see that sun as what? Ishvara, Paramatma. Why? Bhagavan said here, Aham tapami. Tapa means first kiranangal varaname. He has to produce lot of heat. Someone nalla jaasti irundha enna solluvel? Nalla mala varum. Eppadi theriyum? Tapami. Because I have scorched the whole earth. And that's the time of scorching the earth, whole water evaporates. Maximum water evaporates. And that water converted into water-bearing clouds. And that from that water-bearing clouds, then Vayu comes and carry that clouds. And the exact temperature when it is suitable, it pours. So Varuna Devata Rupena Varsharam and Vayu Rupena carrying the clouds. Megha Madhanam ella pandrangalyo. Megha Madhanam theriyuma. Churning the clouds to produce rain. Mudila. Churning the clouds to produce rain. To produce rain, they are churning the clouds. Now are you seeing Bhagavan is churning clouds anywhere? How intelligently, beautifully he is doing it. Can you see the water is going to Surya Bhagavan's side? Moisture, microscope, endoscope, scope trying to see that. Tapami, Nighrannami, Visrijami. If I do this job, what will happen? All people being sustained. Adina pandlanna out. They flourish because of my rain. He says, Nighrannami visrajami varsham evam amritam mrityuhu aham sat and asat. In this manner, I am causing good rains and prosperity take place. Once the prosperity take place, lot of grains, lot of food, and people are happy, and they attend Bhagavad Gita class, and they attain immortality. சாப்பிட்டு அப்படி உட்கார்ந்துருக்கா படிக்காமலே. Amrita means what? They attain immortality and they'll prosper and they study well and they attain their immortal Atman. If they don't attend Saturday class, just eating my dhanyam, which dhanyam came out of rain, which rain came out of me only. But they are eating and going what? Tangamaligai, Ranganath Street, Usman Road, busy irukka. Bhagavad Gita class ponumanna. They are not going. Therefore what? Mrityuhu. They always in samsara, ajnanam. That's why in sometimes in the form of drought, famine, I am the cause for mrityu, cause for destruction. Over rain, floods, out. If you use that energy for Bhagavad Gita class, Bhagavan enna pannuvaru? No drought, no famine, because this person is studying Bhagavad Gita. He has to attain immortality. Na eppadi poga mudiyum ange? Adinala wherever people are dharmic, people attend satsanga, and people study scriptures, Bhagavan take care of that area. அப்போ பார்ஷியாலிட்டி அண்ணா, அவருக்கு பார்ஷியாலிட்டி கிடையாது, நமக்கு புத்திலோ பார்ஷியாலிட்டி. Bhagavan will take care of them. Therefore you can change whole thing by doing those actions which are pleased to Bhagavan. Next, amritam mrityuhu, then aham sat and asat. Sat means visible, sat means manifest, that which is manifest, concrete, or murtam, vyaktam, karyam. Asat means opposite to sat. Amurtam, avyaktam, unmanifest, abstract anartham, or invisible. Akasha, Vayu are invisible. Amurtam, formless. Agni and Bhumi, Jalam is also formless actually. Agni and Bhumi has got form. Murta, Amurta. Sat means Murtam, formed one. I am the manifest which is having forms, tangibly visible. Asat, intangible or abstract. Hey Arjuna, understand me in this manner. Not only that, Lord Sun is life principle, the whole biological, our body is depending, our sleep is depending upon Lord Sun. Therefore, every day we worship the Lord Sun, mainly Sandhya Vandanam time. Mainly every day they worship Lord Sun because of this. Our whole mechanism in body, night digestion also depend upon the Lord Sun temperature only. Therefore, at the daytime only you should eat. Night you should not eat more, our people say. There is a change in your digestion in the evening. You be active while the sun is illumining. When sun sets, naturally we sleep off. But these night duties and all they are doing, no? Shift system. Night duty and certain casual, no, medical, telegraphs and all, night duties okay. இப்போ என்னடான்னா எல்லாரும் நைட் டியூட்டியே தான் பண்ணுற நிறைய பேர் ஷிஃப்ட் சிஸ்டம்னு சொல்லி அண்ட் தேர் ஹோல் சைக்கிள் இஸ் டிஸ்டர்ப். ஹெல்த் ஹெசார்ட்ஸ் ஆர் ஆல் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் திஸ் ஷிஃப்ட் சிஸ்டம் ஜாப்ஸ். காலி நீ இந்த பக்கம் உட்காரு கொஞ்சம். ஸோ திஸ் மெயின் பேசிக் திங் we are not able to understand. Even our people, then they come from abroad, you see they sleep 3-4 days. Jet lag. Enna lag? Jet lag. Yeah, the difference. This much connection is there. So it affects the emotions, it affects the mind, it affects the intellect, it affects the whole life. Therefore, we should very careful to see the whole natural things and connected to the body. இதுதான் சூரிய நமஸ்காரம் மந்திரம் பண்ணணும், டெய்லி நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணன்னு சொன்னது. நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த்ரா ஸ்லோகா. த்ரைவித்யா மாம் சோமபாः பூதபாபாः யக்ஞைரிஷ்ட்வா ஸ்வர்கதிம் பிரார்த்தயந்தே தே புண்ணியமாசாத்ய சுரேந்திரலோகம் அஷ்னந்தி திவ்யான் திவி தேவ போகான். In 20 and 21, these two shlokas, Lord Krishna talking about Sakama Bhakti. Two types of bhakti. From 20th to 29th, two types of bhakti is going to talk. Based on motive. Motive-based bhakti. The motive-based bhakti, two types of bhakti Islam. 20th shloka and 21st shloka talks about the one type of motive. From 22nd onwards, second type of motive. First type of bhakta, that is, what is his motive? Motive is nothing but materialistic prosperity. Dharma, artha, kama. Wealth and enjoy. Pleasure. Earn money, enjoy. In this life, dharma, even future janmas also. That is dharma. Earning punyam for future janmas also to go to higher lokas. And what they want there also? Again, wealth and pleasure. Artha kama pradhanam. That's what he says here. This bhakti is called sakama bhakti. Ishtva mam yajnaihi traividyah. Those people, traividyah, means vedatraya vidaha. Traividyah, trai means three. Vidyaha means the knowers. Knowers of three. Knowers of three what? Knowers of three Vedas. Knowers of those rituals which are already mentioned in the three Vedas, Purva Bhaga. Purva Bhaga of Veda. Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda. Atharvana Veda, there are no much rituals, but these three Vedas, those people who knows the three Vedas, rituals, Purva Bhaga, what they do? They worship me, having worshipped me, Ishtva. Ishtva means Pujanam Krutva, worshipping me, having worshipped me, Mam. Having worshipped me, how they worship me? Yajnaihi. Yajna means Agnihotraadhivihi. Agnihotram, karma, etc. By doing Agnihotra karma. Or other karmas, Panchamahayajnas, whatever they do. Pilgrimage, going to here and there and going to that temple, this temple, and giving to that Lord Bhagavan. என்னென்ன பகவானுக்கு என்னென்ன கொடுக்கணும், வாட் டைப் ஆஃப் கலர் வஸ்திரம் கொடுக்கணும், வாட் டைப் ஆஃப் பிரசா நைவேத்தியம், இதெல்லாம் நல்லா தெரியும் இல்லையோ. வாட் டைப் they have to offer to that Bhagavan, all these they are well informed, very very informed. Yajnaihi. And Lord Krishna talking here Vedic ritual, Somapaha, having done Agnihotra karma, like Somayagam and all. Agnishtomena Swarga Kamo Ejeta, Jyotishtomena Swarga Kamo Ejeta. This is a statement said in Shastra. If you want to go to Swarga, Jyotishtoma Yagam Pannu, Somayagam Pannu, Shastra. Somapaha means here, Somam Pibanti iti Somapaha. The people who takes this Somapanam, Soma Rasam, Soma juice, a juice made up of a creeper called Soma. Why it is called Soma? Not Somavaram. Okay, Soma means that creeper grow in the moonlight. Moonlight nalla irunda, the creeper, Soma creeper, grow fast. And these people who want to do Yajnam or Yagam, and the Soma Yagam, Somayaji is the one who does Soma Yagam. To do Soma Yagam, he has to get that Soma creeper. To get that creeper, he has to get from a Brahmana. To that Brahmana, he has to give a small calf, baby cow, that which is in red color. His eyes must be in red color. So he has to give that, and he has to get that soma creeper. He has to crush it, and he has to do offering in that yagam, soma yagam. And the rest, he has to take one drop. Not மட்டக்கு மட்டக்கு குடிக்க கூடாது. சோமபானங்க தான் நல்லா குடிக்கலாம்னா. It is we are not supposed to drink like that. It is equal to liquor. Somapanam. Since it is yajna system, as a prasada, he has to take 1 or 2 drops. இந்த சோமபானம் குடிச்சுட்டே இருக்க கூடாது. Somapanam. They are called somapaha. Somapaha. So what if they drink somapanam? என்ன எடுத்துன சோமபானம் என்ன ஆகணும்? பூத பாபாஹ. Their papas are diluted. Somapanena shuddha kilvishaha. Their sins are diluted. Who are those purified from their sins? And they have done yajnam, yagam, somayagam, and they have got their somarasam. By drinking somarasam, they got purified. What next? What next? Swargatim prarthayante. This thoughtfully mistaken. Thoughtfully going in a wrong way. Swargatim prarthayante. எனக்கு ஸ்வர்க்கம் வேணும் ஸ்வர்க்கம் வேணும்னா இந்த பாப்பம் எல்லாம் gone. Therefore they want to go to Swarga. Then Swargatim asadya, having reached punya phalam Swargam prapya Surendra lokam. This is the glory of Swarga loka. Surendra lokam prapya. Surendra lokam Indra lokam. Indra lokam Swarga lokam. Swarga lokam prapya. That lokam pere punya swarga, punya lokama. நம்மளது என்ன? புண்ணிய பாப்ப மிஸ்ரிதம். தேர் ஒன்லி இந்த மாதிரி கொசுவுக்கு ஆயின்மெண்ட் அப்ளை பண்ண வேண்டாம். கொசுவே இருக்காது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கூவம் ரிவர் இருந்தால் தானே கொசு வரும். கூவம் ரிவரே இருக்காது. அங்கே எல்லாமே இட்சு ரசம், சுகர் கேன் ஜூஸ் இருக்கும். ஆனால் ஈ வராது. எல்லாம் சுகர் கேன் ஜூஸ் அப்படியே ஃப்ளோயிங், மில்க், so many things. But no problem, no mosquitoes, no flies. அதுதான் புண்ணியம் சுரேந்திர லோகம். They ashnanti, they enjoy. They enjoy what? Divyan deva bhogan divi. In that heavens, in the heavens, divi means in the heavens, having gone there, they enjoy celestial pleasures, not ordinary pleasures. Non-stop வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். But அமிர்தம் you can enjoy. It's over. பில்லு கொடுக்க மாட்டான். யாரும் வந்து பில்லு கொடுக்க மாட்டான். Because you have already paid here, blank check you have in the punyam, the blank check, and they will fill up there afterwards. After going there, you give the blank check. அந்த புண்ணியம் ஆன உடனே அந்த பிளாங்க் செக் ஓவர்னு சொல்லி வீசா முடிச்சாச்சுன்னு சொல்லி அந்த செக்கு ஓவர்னு கூட சொல்ல மாட்டான். யூ வில் ஹாவ் திஸ் வாட் ஐஸ் பாடி தேர். அந்த புண்ணியம் ஓவர்னோ வாட் வில் ஹேப்பன் இந்த ஐஸ் பாடி டிங்கு டிங்கு டிங்குன்னு மெல்ட் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். அண்ட் யூ கோ ஸ்லோலி கம் டு திஸ் ஜீவா, கம் டு வாட்? கூவம் நதி கரையினிலே. அது சொல்ல போறார் பகவான் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. தே தம் புக்த்வா ஸ்வர்கலோகம் விஷாலம் क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति एवं त्रयी धर्ममनुप्रपन्नाः गतागतं कामकामा लभन्ते having glorified the Swargaloka, now all disadvantages he is talking now. This is called Sakama Bhakti Phalam. It's very, very finite. It has its own defects. It has its own limits. Okay? Those people, imagine, those people, Somapaha, Putapapaha, who all are gone to Swargalokam, they Vishanti, come back. இதுதான் பிடிக்கல சுவாமினி, ஏதோ போகிறதுன்னு பிடிக்கிறது, திருப்பி வரணுமே என்ன பண்றது? விஷந்தி மீன்ஸ் ஆவிஷந்தி, they will come back. From where? Tam vishalam swargalokam bhuktva, having enjoyed, bhuktva means having enjoyed that swargalokam. What type of swargalokam? Vishalam swargalokam, vistirnam, vishala means very big, swargalokam, heavenly world. They will come back. Where they come back? Martyalokam, that means world of mortals, that is world of immortals, devas. This is world of mortals, Manushyalokam. Why they come? Punye kshine sati, when their punya is diminishing, has diminished, exhausted. When the punya is exhausted, when their punya is exhausted, they come back to this world. Evam yathoktena prakarena, as said in the Shastra. Kama kamaha, the seekers of these sense pleasures, trayi dharmam anuprapannaha, the rituals of the Vedas they have taken. Why? How they have gone? They have taken up the rituals of these three Vedas and they have gone there, and after that punyam over, they have come back. Therefore, what is the lot? Gata gatam labhante. Their lot is this only, going and coming, going and coming. Again they will enter into another womb, again die and born. Birth, punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. Therefore, intelligent people, what they do, that I will talk about that next class. Purnamada purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadai purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.